am Rhoda and I'm one of the background vocalists with the Ganda Boys, and we're here today at the Almeida Theatre singing at the concert of African music with the Ganda Boys. It's going to be fantastic and look forward to seeing you.
Hello, good morning. My name is Ayodele Edwards and I'm here singing BBs for the Ganda Boys at the African music concert. A concert of African music, that's the one.
I will move, but I like it or not.
Hi, my name is Mariama Samba and I'm a soprano singer for the Almeida show Ganda Boys 1st of August 2009. Be there on the South.
Hey, we're here at the Almeida Theatre for the Ganda Boys' first outing on stage. It's going to be a wicked, wicked day and a wicked show. Can't wait, can't wait.
Hello, I'm Jake. I'm here to do trumpet and I'm also making some trombone parts for the trombone player. Some hard at work generating the bone parts. Yeah, looking forward to it. Sounds like a good band. Nice day.
I'm Tom and I shake, rattle and roll. Rain sticks, go-go bells, cowbells and shakers. Part of the engine room.
Yo, what's up? Nice meeting you, Uganda. This is Kelly. We are here to entertain you and provide you a good music. These Ganda Boys are dangerous. Watch them out, man.
What we're trying to do, we're trying to sort out the configuration of the staging for tonight, putting individual musicians on their individual islands, you know, their plateau, so they can exist, they can beat, they can supply the pulse, contribute the rhythm in a very easy, fluid way.
Now I have a force.
This is what I'm playing. The name of the instruments are congas. We call it congas. I don't know what you call it over in your island or over in your country, but we call it congas. In my island. In my village.
Alright, I know who you are. I know who you are. I know who you are. So this workshop is about chairs. Let's see if we could resume. Semi still. I'm trying to find out why my bass amp isn't plugged in, but hey. I'm sure there's a reason. Who's responsible for the back line? We're here in Almeida Theatre for the Ganda Boys launch. For those of you who knew the Twins, this is not the Twins anymore. This is the Ganda Boys with a brand new organic sound. And today is the day we're going to launch it. We hope everybody will enjoy it and we hope it goes well. As you can see, we're putting together everything, you know, trying to connect, get things to work. And we're going to have a rehearsal in a few minutes. But hey, let's watch this space because I know Ganda Boys are going very far. This is only the beginning.
Doing the lights for the whole thing. I'm trying to give it a look.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm doing at the moment. I'm waiting for instructions from Femi, really. Until then, I'm just going to do my best to make it look nice and pretty.
Thank you.
Did you have a bit of success?
Do you know what's going on?
We had a quick look earlier.
Everything's totally out of control. I mean, under control. I'm Thomas, I'm the admin director at Theatre Bahanzi, and I'm really looking forward to tonight's concert with the Ganda Boys and many other acts. Weeks of work, hard work, all coming to its culmination tonight at the Almeida Theatre. Can't wait.
Ellie is sound checking the microphones.
Okay, 1, 2, 2.
And then we'll start doing a line check. and make sure all our signals and all that's coming to the desk correctly, and then we'll start a rehearsal. So yeah, who knows? But we should be ready soon.
Just sound checking the microphones, checking the wireless mics. I'm about to give you one as well.
Yeah.
So, do you want this mic?
Yeah.
Cool.
Thank you.
Check, 1, 2, 2, 3, check. Yeah.